Hi! How's the Philippines?
Finally.
I miss you. Kumusta ang Pilipinas?
That was a very long.
Where's Ishi?
You know?
Ishi! How are you? Kumusta ang Pilipinas?
Video of us. Apo.
Hello mga chay. Hello internet. And good evening viewers. So hapon na. And pupunta lang ako sa truck, bisita. And sa airport today. So anyway, ito siguro nanonood naman kayo sa Facebook, no? May kayo sa Facebook, naka-follow kayo sa Facebook doon about kay ito ko lang hindi ko naman siya inaaway, naiinis lang ako about doon kay Lakay Tracker. Ito open up ko lang, a short na a short na about kaya ako nag-react ng ganun sa video sa Facebook. Ang mahirap lang din sa yung tao na yun, may nag-comment, no? Gawa agad siya ng video, hindi niya inalam muna kung ano yung naging totoo, ano yung totoo, tapos yung bang ano pa siya i-describe. So yeah, yung nangyari, meron, no? Doon sa tinanong, merong nangyaring ganun. Pero tahimik kami kasi nga under investigation pa yung nangyari. Wala kaming alam kung ano ang punot dulo. Mahirap mag-conclude ba yun? Tama ba? Mag-conclude sa sitwasyon na wala ka namang, mahirap magsabi na wala kang personal knowledge. Kung hearsay lang yung narinig mo, minsan kasi ang hearsay dagdag bawas, no? Hindi talaga yung totoong may dadagdagan, babawasan. Tsaka hindi namin i-content yun, yung ganong masyadong sensitive na
Pangyayari.
mga situation na ganyan. Isa pa ang involved is kaibigan ko. Okay, kaibigan ko yung involved. So, alam namin yung nangyari. May nagtanong, may nag-comment about doon sa never ako nagre-reply yung tao na kung sino ka man, no? Pinalala mo lang yung si Lakay Tracker. Ito namang taong ito, tong vlogger na to, content creator, gawa agad ng video, no? Comment siya, alam mo ba Lakay, yung nangyari na sa Q-Line, blah 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 blah. Ito namang isa para gusto agad na mag-viral, gusto agad niya gawa agad ng content without personal knowledge na instead na yung Pilipino, hayaan mo yung mga ibang tao, hayaan mo yung mga puti na kung ano yung mga sasabihin nila, but hindi dapat mismo manggaling sa yung isang content creator, no? May title pa na mga Pilipino nagpapatayan, blah blah blah. Instead na i-keep mo yung moral ng isang Pilipino dito. I don't know if anti-Pilipino tong taong to, pro-Pilipino ba siya? Dapat i-keep mo yung mga ganong sensitibong ano, i-keep mo yung sensitibong mga pangyayari. Kagaya nung isang ano balikan ko lang tong isang kaibigan ko noon. Sa torque pa sa torque. Natumba. I think nasabi ko na to, natumba siya. Bumaliktad yung truck. Okay? Nagbablog na ako dati before. Sa torque, may vlog na ako, natumba siya. Bumaliktad ang truck sa torque. Malapit na sa torque, bumaliktad ang truck. Winter time. Sabi ko kina paring Benji, yung aking mga pare dito, walang makakaalam, walang makakalusot or hindi makakalusot yung balita na yon sa mga Pilipino dito sa Winnipeg. Wala. So kailangan itago kung ano man yung nangyari na yun, kasi pinipreserve ko yung bang ano ng tao, yung pagkatao niya na driver, na ibubuli siya, ibaba siya, natumba ang truck. So walang nakakalam nun. Alam ng ibang mga driver na may mga Pilipino sa torque before, sina manlalakbay, na may natumbang driver ng torque, pero hindi nila alam kung sino yung driver, sino yung taong involved. Kasi nga kinikip ko yung ano ng Pilipino na huwag siyang mabash. So ganun din dapat dun sa isa. Yung isa, yung nagpost sa Skilled Tracker Canada, meron silang pinost, okay? Meron silang pinost sa kanilang page, pero hindi nila tukoy kung sino, anong nationality, anong race. Wala silang alam. Unknown. Ang alam na nila may nangyaring ganun, but hindi nila alam kung anong nationality ng mga suspect at saka victim. So ano sila, yung wala sa idea nila. Ito namang isa, kuha ng topic dun sa Skill Tracker kasi may alam na siya, no? Galing dun sa comment na nag-comment na yon, ginawa niyang basihan yon, ginawa niyang title na mga Pilipino nagpapatayan, no? Nagpapatayan sa Canada. Kita mo? So nanggagalaiti ako sa ano, sa lalo na hindi naman siya taga doon sa aming, hindi naman siya mismo nasa loob ng organisasyon. Wala namang problema gumawa ng content eh. So siguro feeling niya na ito viral to sa akin yun, bla bla bla, at alam niya mismo na galing sa kumpanya, kaya ang lakas niyang loob na mag vlog ng ganun, mag content ng ganun. Kapwa mo Pilipino, ikaw mismo Pilipino na nandito ka, parang dina-downgrade mo tuloy yung mga Pilipino. Itago mo yung ganung sitwasyon, lalo na involved pag truck driver na may ganyang tawag dyan, may serious ang pangyayari, lalo pag hindi mo alam ang totoo, wala kang idea sa nangyari. So kaya nag-vlog ako sa YouTube, sa Facebook. I mean, nag-post ako ng update. I mean dun sa video. Masyadong chismoso. Sabi ko pa nga dun sa group chat namin sabi ko, bantayan nyo tong content creator na to, gagawa at gagawa ng ano yan, kasi may nag-comment dun sa kanya sa vlog niya. At that time, nung basa kong ano, parang 6 minutes pa lang yata yung comment na yun. Punta ako sa group chat, sabi ko sa nila, bantayan nyo tong content creator na to dahil gagawa at gagawa ng video to. Kasi merong ano sa kanya, hearsay, no? Atin na hearsay. So nung nanggagalaiti, yun na, nagkahamon na ng away, nagkahamon na ng suntukan. Anyways, so dadaan muna kami sa truck at check ko lang yung truck ko, tapos may isasalpak ako doon na aking ginawa. na para dun sa ano, sa closet. Ito kasi minsan, ito nag-under ang ano nito, ayan no, yung bolts niya. Dahil yung tawag dito, yung kanyang Starlink hindi naka-under. Oy, ay, ay. Ito na naman oh. So may ginawa ako. Sana magkasya. Na buang na, di ba magkasya rin eh. Naka-under lagi yung camera 24/7. So in any case,
a new message has arrived. A new message has arrived.
ayun, may load information na ako. 7:29. Winkler, Quebec. Oh, Amazon, Quebec. Yeah. So babalik ako, may biyahe ako papuntang Quebec. Ba't ang problema, ang tanong, yung aking trailer nasaan? Look in your eyes, I see it. Ticket.
Did you get?
Alam agad nila
Na?
ang plaka.
I'm actually scared.
Ha?
I'm actually scared.
Scared?
I hate all I hate elevators.
Walang ano.
Rivals or
Oh, yan, sa kabila. Third.
Third.
I'm scared of elevators.
Do you first? Tinitingnan ko.
Oh.
Ano siya?
Oh.
My God. It's so cold.
Wow, do you know that thing? Really makes me have a headache, like when we're going down like slowly.
Where?
Like the like when we go down and then up down, like
Yeah.
go up and down, that make me big.
Yeah. Wala masyadong pasahero, no?
It's WestJet here. Oh, this is check-in.
Doon tayo sa baba.
Whoa.
Tara na, uwi na tayo sa Pilipinas. Let's go home. Wala pa yung ano natin, flight. Motorsports. So, ganda nito. HD10. Tahimik ang airport ng Winnipeg. Nasaan sila?
At the top.
The top.
267. Dumating na?
Wala pa.
In retard na, 2214. Delayed. Arrive. Wala pa. 22 minutes ba? Arrive in retard. Puro Toronto eh. Hi! How's the Philippines?
Finally.
I miss you. Kumusta ang Pilipinas?
Also very long.
Where's Ishi?
You know?
Ishi! How are you? Kumusta ang ano, Pilipinas? Ha?
So tired.
Just under vlog na. Gonna end the vlog. Move!
Yeah.
Akta, you're there.
Oh my God. Delayed kayo ng?
Our flight was supposed to be 4. We left at 8:09.
Kasi may bagyo eh.
5 hours.
Dapat lang kasi may bagyo.
Yeah, but lightning is sa tarmac. Nandun kami. Where are you going?
Dito lang, picture sila dyan.
Dito ka. Just stay still ha.
Ay, dumating din sila. Kali, get out! Na-delayed yung flight nila from sa isang airport kasi may bagyo.
Welcome back! It's a picture. It's a video. No? It is.
Yeah. Okay na?
Why did you take a picture?
Ano, okay naman? Walang turbulence?
Again, naging maalis dyan. We're taking
Alis dyan.
Turbulence? Ano?
Ano?
I don't know. What?
Ha?
Mataas ang araw?
Go?
Aldo!
Ano pa muna dun sa mag-ama?
Tingnan lang.
Okay. Video ha?
Tingnan mo. Kumusta ang Pinas? Ah. Kumusta ang Pinas?
We're so tired.
Gusto tayo.
We were crashing out.
Yeah.
Oh my.
Ulit ka pa? Pero nag-enjoy naman kayo? Ha? Maganda yung ano, maganda yung
Oo.
concert.
First Pinas,
I'm
anak.
gonna tell you.
Get out.
Oh, get out. Get out.
Anong kinain nyo doon? Kwek-kwek.
Man.
Kali, get out. Ito, makukunan ko talaga siya ng video. Ayun sila.
Oh, let's go.
Tara na.
Let's just go.
Tara, Kali. Ano ba, mas nailing? Sir, una na kami.
Okay, nice meeting you.
Yeah. Okay na ba kayo sa vlog? Yan, si Ma'am Elaine, si Sir
Eddie.
Eddie. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay. Keep trying.
Baka gusto mo may shoutout pa?
Wala naman.
Wala na. Ma'am, salamat, sir.
Sa mga subscriber.
Salamat, ma'am. Doon tayo sa taas.
Here.
Ah, sa elevator na.
Yan na, kahit second floor.
So si Ma'am Elaine ay dito sa Winnipeg 204, isa sa founder ng 204 ng Winnipeg Marketplace. So na-meet namin siya dito kasi meron diyang hinihintay kanyang parents. So how's the Pilipinas? You guys are...
Yung hair ko yung proof kung gaano kami kapagod. Ang eyelashes ko magkakama.
So maganda yung concert.
Yeah.
Magsisigawan kayo. Oh my. Si Uwa nga gustong manood eh.
We didn't just go there for the concert. We had fun going around.
Oh, pero you drive talaga from the falls to back Toronto.
No, Toronto to the falls and back.
Oh my God. Lakas naman ang loob mo mag-drive ng ganun.
Yeah.
Huh? What's your speed?
135.
Oh my God.
Yeah, it's really fast.
Oh, really? You drive 135?
Yeah. Kasi like the normal speed. It's the normal speed. You can't go
I told you.
so they're gonna tailgate you.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to start going.
You're honking, right? Nah, I told you.
But it was fun. Yeah.
3 hours you drive from that to
Not
there?
3 hours. No, it's an hour and a half going there.
An hour and a half?
Yeah.
So 3 hours back and forth?
Yeah, that's everything half.
So pwede ka na pala mag-drive sa ano?
I'm gonna
Pwede-
just cover too.
Pwede ka na mag-drive pala sa interstate.
Baka itong sarado.
Ito, bukas to, bukas to. Pwede ka na mag-drive sa Amerika. It's the same speed. Yeah. 135 kilometers an hour, that's 75 miles an hour. May mga nabili ka?
A lot.
Asia, Europe, North America. Wow, meron siyang souvenir, oh. So meron din silang Asia? Ha? Meron silang Asia?
Yeah.
Saan?
Hindi. Pwede wala.
Saan sa Asia? Oh, meron sila?
Oo.
Tapos na?
Anong sunod yung trip?
Oh, Mexico. Sana all.
Nag-away eh. Uy, di kami nag-away kaming lahat.
Oh, bakit kayo mag-aaway?
Walang argument na nangyari.
Oh, okay, that's good. At least.
They're home na. Kanina pa silang home kali.
We're going to the last one.
Yeah. You know, man, we got at the airport at 12 p.m. What time is it? 10 p.m. We were gonna crash out. Kasi yung suki dapat sa tabi nung may Ishi. We're in the same row, pero kami nasa may
Nagkatabi kayo?
Wala akong katabi. So sabi nung
Ma, bayaran mo na, ma.
the guy beside me said, "Oh, you wanna move?"
Ma, bayaran mo na. Tapon mo na to. Tapon ko na. Kakape ka pa eh, matutulog ka na eh. Magkano nagastos mo?
There's a spider. Another one. Wow. Come on. There's spiders. Come. Look at that.
Magkano nagastos mo?
I don't want to talk about it.
You don't want to talk about it? A lot, say?
Damage is done.
Damage is done, but
At least nag-enjoy.
nag-enjoy naman yata kayo.
Diba? Yeah. Yun ang importante.
Oh yeah, she did. I bought one shirt and the light stick. I love it.
So mga yun pala, galing sa Toronto, nanood ng Blackpink concert. So nag-stay sila doon for a couple of days. Pero yung mga kasama nyo, nauna na. Oh my. Hey, Kali, get in.
Yeah, two.
Second floor.
Wala ng parking. Yung alis ka na sleep with me.
Do you miss Ata? Oh, na-miss niya si Ata.
Sabi niya sa akin, why are you not calling me?
Kali didn't call at all.
No, he told me, why are you not calling me? Ako hindi nag-reply, nakakasira ka.
Because my phone's always charged.
Here.
Or.
So delayed yung flight nila. Dapat kayo na pa silang 5 o'clock. Kaya pa dapat silang 5 o'clock umalis sa Toronto. Then delayed. Looking in your eyes, I see paradise. Oh, daming upuan.
Go, wait, let me go in first.
Wala kayong Wala kayong picture nila?
Stop.
Ha? Bakit wala kayong picture?
Meron, ano na.
Sa kanila? Mismo?
Ay, hindi. Layong paso na.
Saan ba? Yun na, exit kung pagano ito.
Here.
Alam mo, ever since I got there, ma, padala ko yung other phone ko pang TikTok.
Dala mo ang plancha na. Oh, pati ang blower.
Yeah.
Oh my. Kaya pala, hinahanap ko.
Ito galing din sila ng ano?
Hindi ko nagamit yung TikTok ko. Hindi ako nakapag-TikTok, nakapag-Twitter.
Why?
Kasi we would get too late. Tapos, no time.
Caution and attention.
I know.
Area close.
Magigising na lang ako, face to face ko na sa Francine.
So okay naman yung stay nyo doon, yung accommodation nyo.
Airbnb so
Anong
nice.
kinakain ninyo?
Noodles.
Puro kayo noodles?
No, hindi ba si Jerwin? They did, I didn't. Was it
Hindi
good?
kayo nag-rice now ever since.
No.
Sabi na eh.
They haven't seen
So wala kayong rice na kinain?
You should try it, okay, hon?
No.
Oh my God.
No, we spent so much on food actually. Pansin ko mas madami kami na ano sa food.
At least ay nag-enjoy kayo.
Yeah, it was fun.
Yun ang importante.
Dami nga lang walking.
At least
So
nakarating ka ng ano, ng
Serrano.
falls.
Yeah. But it's so hot.
Siyempre, summer.
Iba yung heat nila doon kasi dito.
I think we went when there was a heat.
Yeah, it was wait.
Abay, saan?
Yan, dito tayo.
But it was fun. The falls was nice too. We watched the fireworks. Tapos it was
Oh, may fireworks?
Yeah, the parks are actually nice. I thought it was gonna be like
Nice.
cheap.
Pero hindi kayo sumakay sa barko?
Hindi.
Oh my.
Energy na.
Ay, yung even car?
Na-drain is
Iyan na idea. Kahit pa alin diyang may green.
in the traffic. I've always wanted to see. Oh my God, Papa, the trucks there sa highway nila, they're so aggressive mag-drive.
Of course.
Cutting
Told
off,
you.
yung laki ng load nila.
I told you. Hindi ko abot.
Ang papel. Alam ba siyan?
Hindi yung out of value.
Is it?
Okay, welcome back to Winnipeg.
Did you see the picture in that?
Look in your eyes.
Or their stoppages are very far.
That was so far, bro.
But I cannot believe na nakapag-drive ka ng 135 an hour. Oh my goodness, Mackenzie.
Oh, I was a safe driver.
So hindi ka nataranta sa 135, that's mabilis yan. Tapos ay mga truck doon talagang matutulin din, di ba?
Nakaka-crash out ka lang sa traffic. Nag-traffic kahit sa highway. What the hell?
Oh!
It's like 3 lanes into one.
Bakit?
Kali!
Bakit anak?
It's trying to suffocate me.
Like going back home from Niagara Falls, grabe yung traffic.
Maraming tao.
Ilang hours anak?
An hour and a half.
Ah, no.
Yeah, but there's so much construction. There's like 3 lanes, then it was become one lane.
Oo, kaya nagiging zipper lane siya. Nag-merge sa isang
Yeah.
butas. Doon na tayo lang.
If there was lanes, yeah, we would have gotten early. Tapos may one time, it was late na we were from Cactus Club, we had dinner. And then we were just gonna do Uber to Mississauga. Yung napin na location ni Francine, yung hotel sa airport. My goodness!
Ano nangyari?
Doon kami napababa sa may airport, yung sa hotel namin nung una, nung first day. Instead sa Airbnb. Kasi lutang na si Francine. Hindi niya na alam.
Shannon, that was another 20 minutes.
And that was another 20 minutes pa. That's why I was wondering.
Magkano rent niyo sa car?
130.
Unlimited
With
miles?
insurance na.
Unlimited miles?
Unlimited miles. Pag enter first, unlimited miles. They didn't ask
Hindi daw pwede ang black. Ayaw ng ate Tess.
Anong suot?
Ha? Nag-order ako sa Shein.
Ang damit?
Oo.
Sure.
Sana kasya sa akin.
Yeah, she is pretty good.
Pink.
Dapat white.
Ha? May mga
Wala sa palette yung white,
neutral color.
Like green color.
Tsaka dusty pink.
Taas pa ng ilaw.
Ganda yung dusty pink. Sana kasya sa akin.
I wanted to post the APT OT4 version, but then you couldn't even see it. First day, I wanted to post it to brag that I was there when they signed APT, like all of them. But then, oh my god, you couldn't even see it, so annoying.
They just post up.
So you guys are shouting like Blackpink, Blackpink.
Ayaw ko ng boses ko eh. Nagka-crack na siya.
Nag-order ako sa Shein.
Ang damit?
Oo.
Sure.
Sana kasya sa akin.
Yeah, she is pretty good.
Pink.
Dapat white.
Ha? May mga
Wala sa palette yung white,
neutral color.
Like green color.
Tsaka dusty pink.
Taas pa ng ilaw.
Ganda yung dusty pink. Sana kasya sa akin.
I wanted to post the APT OT4 version, but then you couldn't even see it. First day, I wanted to post it to brag that I was there when they signed APT, like all of them. But then, oh my god, you couldn't even see it, so annoying.
They just post up.
So you guys are shouting like Blackpink, Blackpink.
Ayaw ko ng boses ko eh. Nagka-crack na siya.
I think we have it. But Jenny, this is just a kill this stuff. Before yeah, you guys were when we were scrolling through
Yung mga ganyan na nakapark, minsan mga pulis yan.
Tinitingnan.
Yeah.
Tinitingnan kung talaga nag-i-stop, di ba?
Yeah. Oh, shouting.
Lalo na pag mga alang oras na lang.
Yeah. Kasi alam nilang walang tao, wala nang ano. Minsan ay diretso sa four-way stop
No, I think we have
sign.
the longer version kasi it was recording the whole thing.
What is construction?
Wow, ganito pala yung Winnipeg.
Welcome to Winnipeg.
Madumi.
Madilim.
Sorry, I'm just a big represent.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Like it's so different there. Like their buses are
Pero doon nga nakakita ng maraming letter I.
foggy. Oo.
Oh my.
There's so much. It's like more like
More like
like the city.
no, sa Brampton.
Diba?
Madaming ay sa Brampton. Oh my god, when we went sa sa Toronto Island, ang daming ay.
Naman.
Yeah. That was an experience too, I will tell you guys tomorrow. So, pumunta lang kami doon para i-cross yung lake.
Literally for nothing. Literally for nothing. When we got dun sa other island, we lined up na agad to go back. That whole day we're just like, oh my god. God is testing our patience.
I'm gonna finish the vlog now and send it.
Serious.
Why are you so quiet, Kuku?
You just sleep with me, Annabelle.
Iba baby siya.
Siyempre namin sa ata eh.
Kali did you think I'm not gonna go na? Kasi it took so long. He's crying.
Oh, he's crying. Oh no.
Ang ano ng hair? Man, you can borrow my shirt. I guess. My glasses.
Welcome home, Ishi.
Thank you.
Saglit tingning. Cool.
Miss you ata.
I'm very proud of
sila.
Wala pa.
I'm gonna cry talaga. Ngayon lang nagsisingkin sa akin na isa my black and dress.
Oh, kailangan lang hindi makapasok na. Okay, there you go.
Yeah.
Close the door.
Kasi man, you know
Close
what?
the door.
Our condo,
There you go.
the condo that we rented, may filter water lang siya, so we didn't really get to drink water.
So hindi kayo bumili ng tubig?
Man, when we go to Vancouver, I'm gonna make you try real fruit bubble tea. It's so good. It's like pure mango talaga. With mango chunks. You can, oh, they have one in Vancouver. Oh my god. And we should go to TNT. They have one in Vancouver too.
Anak, we have at home na mango chunk, mag-ano kayo.
No, but
smoothie
that's
kayo.
so good. That made me have diarrhea. Kasi ang dami kong binibili. Pagkain niya yung inaano natin.
Ay, di maganda. Enjoy ka sa food.
Mas nag-splurge ako nung sa Blackpink eh. Mas madami ako nagastos sa Blackpink.
Welcome home, ata. Hindi natin natawagan si Lolo kahapon.
Bakit?
Birthday niya.
Oo nga pala.
23. 24 na ngayon. Ay, nawala na sa isip ko.
Coco.
Oh, he's replying now.
Are you shy? Ay, shy siya.
Kali never cried.
Shy ka, shy?
Alright. Welcome back home.
Uy! Diyos ko!
Ang ganda ng garahe.
Bakit ito ang ano, living room to?
Huh?
Ang ganda!
Weird? Did you like it?
Extension ng living room.
This is our living room now. Okay.
Tingnan mo daw sa other side.
Ba't ang baba ng taas ng...
Sinit ko. Alright.
Nakababa ng wala na yung Pinoy tracker na sa akin.
Wala nang Pinoy tracker because I'm gonna stop Pinoy tracker. I'm gonna make a new vlog. Okay, ano yan? What? Oh, my phone. So guys, have a good night. I'll see you guys on my next video. Ma'am Eileen, thank you so much sa thank you nung in-approach mo ako. Have a good night.